Hi kids, today we will learn the phonics of English alphabets. So let us start. The sound of letter A is A. A apple, A apple, A apple. The sound of the letter B is B. B ball, B ball, B ball. The sound of the letter C is K. K cookies, K cookies, K cookies. The sound of the letter D is D. The doll, the doll, the doll. The sound of the letter E is A. A elephant, A elephant, A elephant. The sound of the letter F is F. F funny, F funny, F funny. The sound of the letter G is G. G go, G go, G go. The sound of the letter H is H. H happy, H happy, H happy. The sound of the letter I is A. A in, A in, A in. The sound of the letter J is J. J juice, J juice, J juice. The sound of the letter K is K. K kite, K kite, K kite. The sound of the letter L is L. L look, L look, L look. The sound of the letter M is M. Mummy, mummy, mummy. The sound of the letter N is N. No, no, no. The sound of the letter O is O. O off, O off, O off. The sound of the letter P is P. P play, P play, P play. The sound of the letter Q is Qua. Qua quiet, Qua quiet, Qua quiet. The sound of the letter R is R. R red, R red, R red. The sound of the letter S is S. Stop, S. Stop, S. Stop. The sound of the letter T is T. T top, T top, T top. The sound of the letter U is A. Umbrella, A umbrella, A umbrella. The sound of the letter V is V. V voice, V voice, V voice. The sound of the letter W is V. V water, V water, V water. The sound of the letter X is kiss. Kiss box, kiss box, kiss box. The sound of the letter Y is Y. Y yes, Y yes, Y yes. The sound of the letter Z is Z. Z0, Z0, Z0. Thank you.